This is a run of my layout in point-to-point mode. I have the layout set up now with two trains sitting at the McKees Rocks shops and two trains sitting at Gateway Yard. Those are the two terminus points of my layout. I'm going to start up my engineer on board program, and what should happen is that the two engines starting from Gateway Yard will end up at McKees Rocks, and the two engines from McKees Rocks will end up at the Gateway Yards. I'm going to be pausing the video a little bit during this run because it'll make a very long video if I don't do that. So at this point, all four trains have left the yards and are making their way to the other end of the route. So engine 1501 has just passed through College. On the left, engine 1207 is stopping at Struthers. Here engine 1501 is going on the through track through Struthers. Now engine 1594 is going through College. Engine 9060 has left College, headed eastward. Engine 1501 is entering one of the yard tracks at Gateway. So 1501 has finished its run from McKees Rocks to Gateway and has stopped. So now, almost simultaneously, engine 1594 is about to enter Gateway Yard, and engine 9060 is about ready to enter McKees Rocks Shops. So now the last train, pulled by engine 1207, is about ready to pull into McKees Rocks Yards. So that completes the run. Now all 4 trains are in at the opposite end of the railroad, either McKees Rocks or Gateway. So all of this was controlled by my RTC program, all automatically keeping trains away from each other, pulling in the sidings as necessary, and finally stopping at the end of the line.